Let's make a Captain Coco Daiquiri. To make this drink, we are going to start with 2 ounces of the coconut oil fat washed Captain Morgan spice rum. And I should really change the name of that. That's too much to say. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Milliliters, not millimeters. Yeah. If we were living in a 2-dimensional world. And then 1 ounce of 1-to-1 simple syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Get your ice, add your ice, and give it a shake. Get your strainer. Because of the coconut oil in there, I want to make sure I double strain this one. And I'm going to double strain that into a coupe. Garnish is going to be a lime wheel. And there you have it. A Captain Coco Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.